Hi Fs, today I'm bringing you to one of the premium subdivisions in Iloilo, Santa Barbara Heights. We're starting our site trip here in Diversion Road. So from Plazuela, it is about 15 kilometers going to Santa Barbara Heights. Now, if you are coming from the airport, this is just minutes away from the airport. Santa Barbara Heights is a 173 hectares project of Global Estates Resorts Incorporated, a subsidiary of Megaworld Corporation. So now we have reached the entrance of the Phase 1 of Santa Barbara Heights. As I have mentioned, this is one of the most premier subdivision in Iloilo City right now. Hi Fs, we're here in Santa Barbara Heights and let me give you a quick tour of the model houses in here that are not just model house but also these are all for sale. Yes, for sale, yes. And I'm telling you, the for sale houses here are all fully furnished. Yes. So if you are looking for houses that are already furnished and that are of good quality and in a very prime location here in Iloilo City near the airport, this place is for you. So let me turn you inside. As you can see right now, the whole area here, these are all part of this modern house. Now, this is the main entrance, and actually there's also a door on the side. So we have on this side the entertainment room and on this side the living room. And this is high ceiling. Now on the entertainment room, we have here a full bathroom. Going further in the living room, we have here another comfort room. And look at these large windows. And this is the other entrance that I am talking about. And it is straight to this dining area. And there's also a bar there and a kitchen. So now we're heading upstairs. And as you can see, the high ceiling and that large window glass surrounding the area makes it more breathable even if there's no aircon on that area. And now we are here in one of the rooms and it has its own toilet and bath. Now this is not yet the master's bedroom, but look at the windows that we have here and the view. Moving to the next room, we have this another room that is also spacious with large windows and that has its own toilet and bath as well. Now let's head to the master's bedroom. Look at this. This is very spacious. And here we have here a walk-in closet. And as for the toilet and bath, we have here a bathtub. Aside from these large windows, the master's bedroom also has an access to the balcony. Look at this wide and spacious balcony that we have here. Now, let's head on to another part of this house. And we also have here another balcony on the second floor with this view. I swear I made a video on the dining area, the kitchen, and the bar, and at the same time on the back part of the house wherein there's a maid's quarter there. But I cannot find those files. So right now we're here in the clubhouse of phase 1 and phase 2. The two phases have clubhouse that is shared. So this is it. And it has a natural lake right there. And there's a basketball court there. A playground. And look at this view of the lake. Wow. These are my crewmates. And there's a pool there. Now, let's head on to another phase of Santa Barbara Heights, wherein there is also a house and lot for sale, fully furnished. Now, in this area will be the shop houses. When we say shop houses, those will be commercial spaces wherein they have their own buildings to be built here. So, in the near future, this area will become another center of Iloilo City. Most huge main branches of government offices are being built here in Santa Barbara, Iloilo. And so the area here is expected to become another city center of Iloilo. So right now we are inside phase 3 of Santa Barbara Heights. And this is the actual house that we are going to look into. Look at this beautiful modern house here in Santa Barbara Heights, Phase 3. You have here a wide parking space. Now let's get a quick look inside. So right away, this is the living room and it has high ceiling as well. Here's the dining area. We got here a little storage room. The kitchen and the minibar. Another storage space. A maid's room with its own comfort room. Let's get a quick tour here outside. So we have here a sink for the dirty kitchen. Now, here in the living room, we have here a comfort room, but I cannot show you right now because it has a blockage and it is under repair as of the moment. Now, this is how the second floor looks like. Look at these wide windows, and we have here a small living area. The overlooking view of the living room. And we have here a balcony. And look at this view. As you can see there the road where we are a while ago. This specific house is near an entrance door. Now let's head to the bedrooms. So here's the first bedroom. It is spacious. And here's another room. And we have here the shared toilet and bath. And this is the master's bedroom. For this room, we have a walk-in closet. And this is the master's bedroom, toilet, and bath. On the dining area, we have here a sliding glass leading outside with this table and chairs set up with cool and serene view. As of the moment, most of the lots here are also for sale. And this is the only house and lot that is for sale in this area. Now, this one here will be the man-made river. They plan to put one here. And this is the entrance that is nearer to that house and lot. Now, this one here is also for sale, but we haven't gone inside it. But this one has a mountain view. As you can see, the place here is a bit of a hilly type, but that made it more beautiful and unique. So right now we are here on the Phase 3 clubhouse. Look how spacious each corner here is, and this is well maintained. And this is the swimming pool of Phase 3. What's great in this area is that it has a overlooking view and a mountain view. Let me give you a little stroll on this side. I can say that this place is great if you have big occasions. We have here some pavilions or gazebos. And on this side is the playground and the basketball court. We are now going outside of the subdivision, and on this part is a market or a night market. Not only that, most of the spaces here, there will be soon to rise buildings of different brands, especially coffee shops and restaurants. Thank you so much for watching, F. See you on my next vlogs.